name is Frank Tallarico. I'm the technical service representative here at Nilfisk Industrial Vacuum. Today I'm going to demonstrate the filter changes of a GM 80 vacuum cleaner. The first stage of filtration is the dust bag. The dust bag inside has an efficiency of 99.7 at up to 3 microns in size. Anything larger, it will move on to the next stage of filtration, which I get to in a different video. To take this off, there are clamps on the front and the back. You just do it a 90-degree twist. They spring up. You remove it. Inside, you'll see your paper bag surrounded by the plastic poly liner. The dust bag should be replaced when it's about 2/3 to 3/4 full. You risk having the bag explode if it goes too, if you wait till it gets too full and you lose complete suction. Keep an eye on that and your vacuum will last a lot longer. To remove the bag, where the inlet is, just slide the blue collar off the inlet, like that. You take your polyliner bag, wrap it around, seal your bag with a twist tie or whatever, and dispose of it. And then you would install a new polyliner. The purpose of the polyliner is to capture the dust when we're cleaning the main filter and for the disposal of your dust bag, the paper bag. So there's two purposes for it. When placing the bag inside, we're going to go around the rear of the canister, and at that front, you want to tuck it underneath the inlet so you can slide your paper bag over that inlet. Taking your paper bag, the printed side will be facing upwards. Just grab the blue collar, slide it over the inlet, tuck the bag inside. That's what it looks like when it's in properly. Take the top lid, replace it, again, secure the latches, turn it till it clicks, lock down,